Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sigala. In this session, we learn the pattern programming in C language. So let's start. We have first I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better where my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and that takes some process and now yes is open. Alt file menu and taking new file. And here our goal, write a program to print following pattern. Yes, so that is known as pattern programming. So here we can print n number of times. So means that starting to n. So like I can pass n as a 4. So that is start as 4 and then 4 and then 3 and then 4. So that type of shape. And then again 4 starting and ending is the same number, means that is a start 4 and end is also 4. So you can start 5, so that is start and end is a 5. So any number you can user depend upon the user. So yes, now is reverse order and that is 4 3 2 and that is 1 here. So that one just blank perfectly we can adjust to our pace. So now that ready, yes. So look, and then again in reverse order. So 2, 3, and 4, and also in reverse mirror image. So 4, 3, 2, 1, and again 2, 3, 4. Yes, that type of shape. So again 4, 3, 2, and then 3 and 4, and next 4, 3, and 4, and last is 4. So you can look like rectangle or star, but rectangle, cross rank, we can say that cross rectangle. And here there are in middle, there are 2 time repeat. That is always here also repeat. There is no any issue because that is all are same. Here also repeat, here is also. So that is all, but here we can in middle, if only we can remove, that is look better. So I can remove just like so. You can look, that is a perfect in middle of the one, and that again in appear the 2 and 3 and 4 that look for better. So that type cross rectangle pattern program we can start. So first we can take both side, upper and lower is a same, in middle I can repeat that row, and then we can remove also. So can start step by step. So first upper part we have to solve and the left part and then right part. So that type of step, 4 step complete. So left top, then right top, and then bottom left and bottom right. So there are 4 steps we have to cover. So just first include the header file stdio.h and then conio.h, yes, console input output, and then void main, yes. And now we can take some variables. So that is a like I and j, and first we can I, j, and n, yes. Only 3 variable we have to take and start over number. Yes, that is a number pattern programming. Also you can take as a alpha. In my previous video lecture I take as a one photo frame using alpha capital A, so that you can watch very perfect. I can give the idea. So now here we can take first how many number of row. So enter number of rows. So that is a scan n variable, number of rows. So that is a n. And now we can start the for loop. So that is I, that is 1, then I less than or equal to n, and then I plus plus. So that is our my technique. Basic we can take as a first 2 for loop, like in the we can take as a triangle, pyramid, all shape, and like 2D array we can take as 2 for loop. So nested for loop concept. So j equal to 1, j less than equal to I, and then j plus plus. And now we can print first as a j percentage D, and then we can print the J, and then new row we can take as a new line, so slash n, and that provide the get ch. So first I can save that file. So here we can give the pattern programming. So yes, pattern, and that is a number. Yes, number type means number pattern. So yes, PAT, and I think that already is that. Yes, no problem. So pattern number, yes, number type of pattern, and you can say that cross rectangle shape. Yes, that shape, that pattern, that also you can, that shape programming, but more used word is a pattern. So now I can compile. Yes, there is no any error, and our exe file is generated. Now I can take as a file. So look, that is 1, 2, that is general or triangle shape. And now first we can take at the middle of the screen, that next loop. So I can give the idea step by step. So here we can take as SP, because S is looking like 5. So we can 2 character variable. And inside here we can take second next inner for loop. So that SP is initialize 1, then SP less than, or we can say that our monitor screen is a 80 column, so divide by 2, so that is a 40, and SP is plus plus, so we can provide the blank base. So that is a middle of the monitor screen that print the, that same our triangle. So look, now that is shifting, and there are 6 shape, means here that first is a, we can say that right justify, and now we can just here take as a left justify. So what to do? So here you can change the I variable, and then now look, that is shape is changed right to left, and here we can provide the one blank here J, so that is a third shape, and triangle print to pyramid type. Yes, look, so that is a, and in reverse order there are 3, left, right, and triangle to pyramid. There are 6 pattern. So one shape you can take as a 6 pattern, different type of left, right, and triangle to pyramid. So now that is not our target, but that is a just starting point of view. And now we can take as a 4 year starting. So here we can how to take. So user can enter the end, that is our starting point. So I can take as M, new variable, and here we can in J loop, we can initialize M equal to N. Yes. And now we cannot print the J, but M, and that is we can take as a minus. So that is a print. Yes, let us check. I think first our part is print or not. So that type. So you can look, now that is a, we can take as a triangle, that is perfectly, but triangle to pyramid. So here I again remove this blank. Yes, that blank we can remove, and look now that how to shape. I give the 4. So look that our first top left corner is print. So that is our requirement. So starting 4, then but here blank page is required. So here we can provide the blank page. So that is a triangle to pyramid shape. So 4 I can give. So that is not perfectly. So here we can take some pacing, means the pace we have to adjust, and that I is not proper. So I is taking 1, but here require the 2 blank page. So that look for better. So here we cannot provide any blank, but I can first save, and now we can take other variable C, and we can take as a C variable here, and that starting to 1, but that plus equal to 2 means increment 2, and here that pace I taking the C variable. So it is a perfectly. So just so now that perfectly, and now let us check so how that look. So here I can give 4. So yes, that is now we can in between one blank space is provide. So spacing is 2, but here we can provide the one blank or 2D. Yes, that is width. So let us check again. So look, that is a first our target is achieved. Means so that is a top left part is perfectly is printed. Now we can take as a top right part to second step. So first part we can achieve perfectly. Look our shape. So that is a pattern. Yes, here that first this part in one middle, that is a here to here we can print. Yes, that top left part we have to successfully achieve. And now we can start yes next loop and take one variable because there is a here pattern programming. So we can take like I, j and k variable. So k variable here we can take and k equal to yes what we have to take. So in parentheses m, here one extra minus is there. So here we can assign the k m plus 2. So that is our next, and k less than or equal to n, and k is we can say that plus plus. Yes, because that is a next part is also in reverse order but plus plus. So like m is first 4, so minus 2. So means that is a here initialization is a directly minus minus. So we can take as a 4 to plus 2. So here one extra minus and we can plus 2. So that is our target. So let us take first we have to print. So percentage, yes, here also 2D and then print the k variable. So let us check that perfectly print or not. So I give the 4. Yes, that perfectly our requirement. That is a part is perfectly. So that is a first part and that is a live. So how it possibility? So first time that is only that we can say that in a, so we can say that here start to that is a depend upon the j equal to I. So that is a first time only one print, and here that is 4 and like we can pass 4. So n assigned to m. So 4 minus minus so 3, and here we can assign the 4 plus 3 so 5, but here that condition is already here is false because that is a and k less than or equal to n. N is our 4 and k is 5, so that is not print any value. So that is our requirement. First only 4 is one time is print and next time that is starting. So again what happened? So again time that is a j equal to 1 initialized, but I is plus plus so 2. So here 4 then first print 4, then minus minus 3 print, and then that is a minus minus so 2, and we can plus 2 so 4. Yes, that is our requirement. Only one time 4 is print. Yes, next row you can look. So 4 3 and that minus minus m so 2 2 plus 2 so 4. Only one time that condition is true. So it less than or equal to n. Yes, only one time. And then k plus plus so 5. So that condition is false. Yes, I think you have to understand. So that is our first part is achieve. Yes, that part I can achieve. Now we can start the bottom part. So we can just copy these all. Yes, I copy all part and paste. So what to do? So here we can take just reverse order. So here we can take as n minus. Yes, we can take first. Uh, yes n, yes, here in reverse order. So and then I minus minus, yes, I minus minus, that is in mirror image reverse order, and that is here we can take as c uh, n multiply 2. So that is a n, suppose we can enter the 5 or 4, so multiply 8 and minus 1, so minus 1 is required. And then c minus c, that is statement I just c equal to c minus 2, because here minus minus is required. So that perfectly. And that is yes, no any other change is required, so that is our main target achieved. So let us take that pace loop is perfectly, and then j, yes, that is also perfectly, and k, yes, that is also perfectly. So only change is required to here, not any change in the inner for loop. Outer for loop we can in the reverse order. So let us check that perfectly print or not. So we can give 4. So yes, sir, that perfectly our requirement. So only one for loop you can change, you can first achieve. And that is, we can say that first inner, their middle is 2 time printed. Yes, so we can remove that also. How to remove? That is, we can take. So first we can some decoration. So how to decoration this triangle? So yes, here our goal is achieved. Both part we have to print successfully, but only required to, we can remove this 2 time repeat is 1 time. You can look, their middle is 2 time repeat, so we can less 1 time in bottom or top, anywhere you can depend upon your requirement. You can remove. So yes, so how to remove that is remaining. So yes. Yes, now we can perfect, and now I can decoration means like Diwali festival near in like 14 November. So here we can take some colorful. So that is a one function text color, and that I give the I, yes, in small I plus 1 plus that we can just, yes, first I can give the color, and that opening and closing brace is required because there are two statements now. Text color. So here we can take as j plus 1, and that is provide the parenthesis. So look, and that is same process here. We can take in the reverse order. So that is we can text color, yes, and that j plus 1, yes, here first, that is in reverse. Yes, and now here we can take as text color, and that is I plus 1, and that also provide the brace. But simple printf is not working here. We can text as window base and C printf, so that text is colorful. So always all printf we can provide the C printf. So then and then color is print. So now that is take colorful text. So look now. So use different type. I can mixing color, and now we can take some lighting in like Diwali festival series. So that is we can take as a blink. So how to blink? So yes, here just place and capital blink. Yes, here is also provide, and here you can provide the blink. Next, here also provide the blink. Yes, and last here blink. So next step. So let us check how it looking. Yes, that is blinking. So perfectly. And now we can use the weighting and printing. So that is we can more attractive look. So that is one function, and that is known as delay. So yes, not capital. So I take as 500 and then copy I paste to here. Yes. So I can save. Yes. So here again problem. Okay, now so we can take as delay function to everywhere. So here I can provide also in that between, and then here also provide. So I can save, yes, and let us check. So first I can give 4. So you can look now that blinking and printing perfectly. So only we can require only one row in less in top part or bottom part. So that is a remaining, otherwise all are perfectly. And you can also give the background color, but text background color is one function, but I cannot use. You can also apply. And here I can use mix color. You can apply so left, right, bottom or top, left, right, different color, only one fixed color. So that is also possibility. So yes, that is perfectly. And now we can try just last our step, and that is how we can remove. So yes, I take n minus 1 here. So one row is less, and here that paste problem is starting. So first look how that print. Yes, first we can check that is some disturbance, not perfect shape is top is perfectly, but bottom is disturbing pacing problem. So look, I think that yes, so that is yes. So you can look that is perfectly print our requirement. One row is less, but pacing problem is there. So that starting we can some more pace provide, so that perfectly shape is perfectly, but we can pacing problem. So what to do? So here we can like -1, so -t, so less number of pace, because we can minus, so that number of pace is less, so that is our requirement. So that is a n multiply 2, so n we can give 4 minus that is 1, it that initialize, and here 4 multiply 8 minus 5, so that is a number of 35, pace is less, so that is our requirement. So now that is I perfectly our shape and cross rectangle perfectly we can I think print. Let us check. So yes, I think yes, complete, that is our requirement. So exact perfect shape is printed, so we can achieve to our goal, all are well. So mix color is I can use. Now I can use the one testing for you. So perfect, and here yes, that very important. So there is very long session is there, but yes, very important shape and your knowledge. So perfectly I can all value as a dynamic limits, and here we can fix our color. Yes, so here in first part that we can fix as some perfect, and that is we can give like a red, so red color, that fixed color. And now here I provide the yellow, so red and yellow combination in first top part. And yes, here caps lock off, so that is tab, so yellow, yes, perfectly. And bottom part we can fix as like shine, yes, shine color is there. And then we can what color, so shine, and last one is remaining here, so we can take as yellow is there, blue, yes, let us check. Yes, then I compile, yes, no any error. Now let's check. So yes, red and yes, yellow, that combination in first top part, so that you can identify that is our logic divide in 4 part. So yes, that perfectly. So yes, I think yes, here shine and blue is not perfectly. So here we can change as blue to orange. Yes, that possibility or not is no any color orange. So black is not possible. Yellow we have to use shine. So yes, that is brown. Yes, capital brown. Yes, let us check. Yes, there is no any error. And yes, now that perfectly. So that is now all are well. Yes, let us check. I give now. Yes, here I just checking 4. Yes, now you can give any number of. I give like 9. So that is a long session is there. means that perfectly, just look. So that is taking as a 9. So that is a possibility, any number of loop you have to provide. Yes, there is no any limitation here, that is in control to our hand. So that is a 9 row. Yes, so that now last row, I think. Yes, that is in middle is a 1. Yes, so yes, now 1 is remaining. Yes, 8 is print, and now in middle that is 1. Yes, perfectly, look. So any you can go give the row, and 1 in top is 1 is less, so that is a only 1 less, otherwise all are perfectly. So that is we can take as a perfectly cross rectangle shape. So yes, that is blinking, coloring, and first I can print in mixed color. Now I can give the 4-part divide, so you can understand better way. So that is our logic. So taking 4 loop. So top left right and bottom left right corner. Just look. So that is a very only 1 is middle and all are other. So that is a cross rectangle and line Diwali festival near. So I can take that pattern programming in C language. So that is a fact. And now I can just last time 4. Yes, that is our starting goal. So we can focus only 4. That is small cross rectangle, and 9 or any number of row you can provide, that is big cross rectangle. So yes, that is 4 color. Yes, you can choose to your color. Purple is there, white is there, but that some not looking better. So yes, now I complete. So yes, I think you can understand. So yes, here very important to your knowledge, C programming development. So first part we can step by step I can explain. So after you can complete your logic, then and then you can decoration. Otherwise, not. So not. First you can focus in your main logic, and then you can use the text color, delay, and cprintf. You can must be used in text color for that purpose. So window based that printf, and text background color is also possible, but that not looking better sometimes, so I cannot use. So you can use also text background in my video YouTube. So many I take as a background color also. So now I can complete my session. So yes, write this. Yes, here I think no requirement for watch and output window. So watch window you have to tracing dry run method, that is known as. So you can also perfect if not understand. So here I think very simple way I can explain to you this cross rectangle shape in C language. So yes, that is first part, and here is very important. That is you can look so many years here we can use the advanced feature of for loop. So here initialization double part, yes, with comma operator, and then increment decrement with can double part. So one for loop like two for loop work, and then inner is also we can take as a 3 for loop nested. So yes, I think perfectly. So now that write this program to your C notebook if you prepare, very interesting, and you can also apply watch window and dry run method to yourself if you not understand. So now I can close that file. Yes, and Alt F3 function key and message and quit. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sijalakani, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And any question or any doubt for this definition cross rectangle in pattern programming in C language, or you can say that shape. So you can write in comment section. I can give the definitely to answer to you, or any other question in any concept in C language. You can also write in comment section. So that uh, subscribe, then and then you can I can upload new video, so you can give the new one notification. So subscribe and press the bell icon, that is must be, so you can give the notification from YouTube my channel. So thanks again, and Hare Krishna.